All right, I looked for some videos on how to replace the 2025 Infiniti Q55 air filter, because Infiniti wanted to charge me 165 bucks to do it, and I was like, I ain't gonna do that. So what I did is I went to AutoZone and I spent what I spend 34 bucks, and I bought this air filter, and I'm gonna show you how to quickly save 133 bucks or $134. So you got to go back. It's hard to get in there. There's a little seam. They've changed these from what I've seen on the other ones. How they do it, how they install it. So you just put a screwdriver back here and you pull back, and it'll come away, and that whole piece comes off. And then what you do is you just grab, there's a little clip over there on the right corner, and I'm just gonna pull that clip right here, and then this whole thing comes out as well. And then the air filter's right here, and you just pull it out, and you want to see how it's lined up. So see how the arrows are going down. So we're going to pull that out. You can see it's pretty dirty. And then we're going to pull out our new one here. So get out of there real quick. All right. And the filter was, the arrows were down. So we got the arrows down. And we just stick that bad boy in there like that. And then we just do everything in reverse. We stick, there's a little corner, you stick that corner in, and you just pop that in there. And then this piece, you kind of hook this corner in here first, back in there, right back there. And then it just snaps in, and you're done. And you just saved 130 bucks instead of paying Infiniti 165. All right, there you go.